under the moonlight, just you and me tonight. When the evening breeze touches your skin and the stars start dancing in, every worry fade away when you look at me that way. City lights feel soft and low, heartbeat match the reggae flow. Every moment feels so right, girl, I want you here tonight. No rush, no pressure, no disguise. I see forever in your eyes. Slow wine, slow jam, slow embrace. This love got its own pace. Only you tonight, only you, my love, underneath the stars above. Only you tonight, hold me tight. Everything feel right tonight. Only you tonight, no one else. I don't need nobody else. Only you tonight, come closer. Let this love take over. Morning calls, late night talks, every mile we ever walked, through the highs and through the lows, still this love continue grow. Your laughter heal my soul, make broken pieces whole. If loving you is a crime, let me do the time. No fear living in my chest, with you I'm at my best. Slow motion, sweet devotion, caught up in this ocean. Only you tonight, only you, my love, underneath the stars above. Only you tonight, hold me tight. Everything feel right tonight. Only you tonight, no disguise, pure affection, no lies. Only you tonight, come closer. Let this love take over. If tomorrow never come, still you'd be my chosen one. No gold, no fame, no show, just your heart, that's all I know. Only you tonight, forever mine. Love so real, so divine. Only you tonight, stay with me. This is how love should be. Yeah, only you tonight.